Hi, I'm Adam from Rainhorn and Rosebud. Here I am with our auctioneer, Shane Pope, at our latest auction listing, 26 Whitehead Grove. Perfect property and opportunity for the first home buyer and investor. Tell them about it, Shane.
Thanks, Adam. With 2 bedrooms and a bathroom, this property is absolutely perfect for the smart investor or that person looking to crack into the market. Rosebud shops are just around the corner. Let's go and take a look at this home.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that. Open for inspections during the campaign, Saturday, 11 o'clock.
Now, with the culmination of the auction on the 21st of April at 11:30, if you want to get a private inspection, give us a call. We'll see you there.